enjoyed this video.
Okay, so today is a thrift flip for you, and it is this shirt that is very wrinkled. And there's our new kitty cat. His name is Neo. And anyways, this is the shirt I got. Now, if you can see these sleeves here, they are very different from the main part of the shirt. Different material, different color, and I actually wore this shirt out one day when I bought it, and two people in the same day asked me, or they had thought that I'd basically a cast on my arms. I was like, oh, okay. So yeah.
Look at how strong he is.
Now I had bought this shirt from a thrift store, and as you can see, the arms are very unique. I was like, that's pretty cool. But yeah, I didn't want people to think that I had broken my arms, and so I decided that I was going to remove the arms, just make it like a short sleeve. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm not sure what the fabric is, but the main part of the shirt is like a kind of stretchy sweatshirt material. It's very comfortable, and the sleeves are more like a dress shirt material. Yeah, so I didn't have any matching thread, so I'm just going to use white thread. There's my kitty cat again. So cute. So yeah, so there I'm just going to cut that sleeve off. Basically, that's what I was going to do, so I turned it inside out, and I'm just trying to cut the sleeve. And then what I did here was I actually accidentally cut the wrong way, and I cut part of the shoulder, which I soon realized. So after I realized that, I just started cutting along the seam there, so it makes it a lot easier. So here's the other sleeve, and as you can see, I'm just cutting along just basically cutting the sleeve off, which is a better idea. And then I'm just folding in once and once again, and just pinning those sleeves into place. And there's all the pins on one side. And so going to my machine, I have it on zigzag stitch. And I saw someone else do this in a video where they do one half of the zigzag on the fabric and the other half off the fabric, and I thought, I think I'll try that. I think it kind of makes like a lettuce hem, if you know what I'm talking about. So that's what I'm trying to do just there, is to do that kind of lettuce hem. And I believe this is where I'm fixing the hole that I cut in the shoulder. So I just went in, put it right sides together, and just did a zigzag over where the serging was, to reattach the shoulder, and it actually worked. Okay, so that is the finished sleeve. I'm not really sure if I did this properly, but anyways, it looks like that. So the sleeves kind of have this wavy pattern to them, which I think is cool. And yeah, you can kind of see it's not perfect. I thought about cropping the shirt as well, but I thought I kind of like to have the length in some cases, so I just tucked it in for this. Here's the final shirt. Hope you like it.